Das liberale Skript verspricht zwei Dinge: Fortschritt und Zivilisation. Fortschritt in dem Sinn, dass der Einzelne aus seinem Leben machen kann, was er möchte, und zwar möglichst ungehindert. Und Zivilisation bedeutet, dass Menschen ihre Impulsivität kontrollieren, ihre Emotionen im Griff haben, und zwar deswegen, damit das Zusammenleben von Menschen überhaupt funktioniert und nur der Staat das Gewaltmonopol hat. Was wir erleben, ist ein Zeitpunkt der Broken Promises, der gebrochenen Versprechen. Der Einzelne hat immer mehr Schwierigkeiten, aus dem Leben das zu machen, was er möchte, weil wir in einer Zeit der Polykrisen leben, die den Menschen überfordern. Und das zu untersuchende Subjekt ist, warum sind die Menschen in den liberalen Systemen eigentlich gar nicht mehr in der Lage, sich anders zu helfen als durch Daueremotionalisierung und physische Gewalt gegenüber der Instanz, die eigentlich ihre Freiheit garantieren soll, nämlich den Staat.
Incremental progress is a notion that is central to the liberal script. By this we mean that the liberal script promises both individuals and societies that things will get better for them in the future. Education is at the very center of this promise. It is supposed to improve an individual's life chances, reduce social inequality, and foster social and political inclusion and economic growth. But in recent decades, the narrative of liberal progress has come under attack from various perspectives. Central to these contestations are what we call broken promises, particularly with regard to social advancement and a better future. Spending many years in education no longer automatically leads to a good job, and the promise of a better future for coming generations appears increasingly problematic given the critical state our planet is in due to overuse of resources. Where education was once supposed to fulfill liberal promises, it is now also expected to increase the resilience of liberal orders. Education is supposed to make liberal orders future-proof, so to speak. Yet what actually constitutes a better future often remains a vague and indeterminate construct. There's no clearly defined end of history that liberal societies are supposed to arrive at beyond largely empty formulas such as societal well-being or sustainable development. Rather, it is progress itself that has become the goal. Education is not well suited to ensuring that the promises connected to progress remain unbroken, despite constantly being tasked to do so. But educationalizing problems that actually need to be solved politically tends to be a way of postponing their solution. In the light of the current strains on the planet, this strategy may yet prove fatal.